One of the most common pieces of confusion I see from learners is confusion between Bain and Taitneamh. So most important thing, firstly, they mean two completely different things. They're not interchangeable. Main thing is to forget any link you have in your head between the two. Taitneamh, firstly, is going to be used for like in English, as in I like this house, I like the people, whatever it might be. But think about it more so as the verb appeal in English. So if I have a set of keys here, I can say I like the keys, or I can say the keys appeal to me. I know it's a bit clunky in English to say that, but stick with me. The difference is, if I'm saying the keys appeal to me, the keys are doing the action as opposed to I like the keys. Taitneamh works in that way. So if I want to say I like the keys, I say Taitneamh the hokrcha lum, the keys appeal with me. Again, the le being directed at whoever is doing the action in English. I like, you like, whatever it might be. If I go to the bull run in Pamplona, I survive it. Afterwards, I can say I liked it. I can say Hatan she lum. Okay, so there we've just used the shape. Bain is going to be an enjoy, but it's important to understand what it directly means. So although it'll be expressed as enjoy in a translation in English, Bain means extract. So we're saying to extract enjoyment out of something. If you think about it like that, it's going to be made a lot easier. So again, I enjoyed it, Bain mé Taitneamh. I enjoyed the game, Bain mé Taitneamh an gcluiche. But as well as that, in the infinitive, this idea of extracting enjoyment is going to make it a lot easier. A lot of people might say on law of winch Taitneamh for it to enjoy the day, but that's going to be wrong. We need to think to extract enjoyment. So that's the same as to do the work, on obrayano. So Taitneamh or sult, we can also say, of winch, and then out of the day as on law. So Taitneamh for like, and remember use it like appeal, the thing itself doing the action in English. Bain Taitneamh, extract enjoyment out of, in other words, to enjoy. Makes sense? Hopefully. Éist Arís, bí a dá go liom híos na tráchtaí.